25 foods to heal your kidneys. Maintaining kidney health through diet is crucial for preventing and managing various kidney-related conditions. The kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and excess fluids from the blood, regulating blood pressure, and balancing electrolyte levels. Consuming foods that support kidney function can help alleviate strain on these organs and reduce the risk of complications. So, here are 25 foods to heal your kidneys. 1. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are beneficial for kidney health as they can help reduce inflammation and improve overall kidney function. Incorporating salmon into your diet can provide essential nutrients while supporting kidney health. 2. Tofu. Tofu is a plant-based protein alternative that is low in phosphorus, making it suitable for individuals with kidney issues. It provides essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and maintenance without adding excessive phosphorus to the diet. Tofu can be a versatile and kidney-friendly addition to meals for those seeking protein alternatives. 3. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are rich in vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as antioxidants like beta-carotene. These nutrients have anti-inflammatory properties and can help protect kidney tissues from damage. Including red bell peppers in your diet can contribute to overall kidney health and support immune function. 4. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a low-potassium vegetable that serves as an excellent alternative to higher potassium foods like potatoes for individuals with kidney problems. It is also high in fiber, which can aid in digestion and promote overall gut health. Cauliflower is a versatile ingredient that can be incorporated into various dishes to support kidney health. 5. Garlic. Garlic contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the body, including the kidneys. Additionally, garlic has been linked to lower cholesterol levels, potentially benefiting kidney health by reducing the risk of cardiovascular complications. Adding garlic to your meals can not only enhance flavor but also provide potential health benefits for your kidneys. 6. Onions. Onions are low in potassium and rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and quercetin, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants can help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage and support overall kidney function. Incorporating onions into your diet can add flavor to dishes while providing potential health benefits for your kidneys and overall well-being. 7. Olive oil. Olive oil is a heart-healthy fat that contains monounsaturated fatty acids, which may help reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. By replacing saturated fats with olive oil in your diet, you can support cardiovascular health, which is essential for kidney function. Additionally, olive oil can be used in cooking and salad dressings to add flavor and promote kidney health. 8. Cranberries. Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which may help prevent urinary tract infections (UTIs) by preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls. By reducing the risk of UTIs, cranberries can indirectly support kidney health and function. Consuming cranberries in the form of juice, dried fruit, or fresh berries can provide potential benefits for urinary and kidney health. 9. Egg whites. Egg whites are a high-quality protein source that is low in phosphorus, making them suitable for individuals with kidney issues. Protein is essential for muscle repair and maintenance, but excess phosphorus can be harmful to the kidneys. By choosing egg whites over whole eggs, you can still enjoy the benefits of protein without adding excessive phosphorus to your diet. 10. Cabbage. Cabbage is a low-potassium vegetable that is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin C, and folate. Additionally, cabbage contains compounds called glucosinolates, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect kidney cells from damage. Incorporating cabbage into your diet can provide essential nutrients while supporting kidney health and overall well-being. 11. Strawberries. Strawberries are high in vitamin C and antioxidants like ellagic acid, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. Furthermore, strawberries are low in potassium, making them suitable for individuals with kidney problems. Including strawberries in your diet can provide essential nutrients while promoting kidney health and supporting overall well-being. 12. Apples. Apples are low in potassium and high in fiber, making them a kidney-friendly fruit option for individuals with kidney problems. Fiber is essential for digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for kidney function. Furthermore, apples contain antioxidants like quercetin, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect kidney cells from damage. Including apples in your diet can provide essential nutrients while promoting kidney health and overall well-being. 13. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect kidney cells from damage. Blueberries are low in potassium, making them a kidney-friendly fruit option for individuals with kidney issues. Incorporating blueberries into your diet can provide essential nutrients while supporting overall kidney health and well-being. 14. Cherries. Cherries are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce uric acid levels in the body, which can benefit kidney function. Additionally, cherries are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which can help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. Consuming cherries regularly, whether fresh, frozen, or dried, can provide potential health benefits for your kidneys and overall well-being. 15. Pineapple. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation in the body, including the kidneys. Additionally, pineapple is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. Including pineapple in your diet can provide essential nutrients while supporting kidney health and overall well-being. 16. Red grapes. Red grapes are rich in antioxidants like resveratrol, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect kidney cells from damage. Additionally, red grapes are low in potassium, making them a kidney-friendly fruit option for individuals with kidney issues. Consuming red grapes regularly can provide essential nutrients while promoting kidney health and overall well-being. 17. Watermelon. Watermelon is a hydrating fruit that is low in potassium, making it suitable for individuals with kidney problems. Additionally, watermelon contains compounds like lycopene and citrulline, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect kidney cells from damage. Consuming watermelon regularly can help maintain hydration levels and support kidney health. 18. Kale. Kale is a nutrient-dense leafy green vegetable that is low in potassium and high in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin C, and calcium. Additionally, kale contains compounds like glucosinolates and sulforaphane, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect kidney cells from damage. Incorporating kale into your diet can provide essential nutrients while supporting kidney health. 19. Spinach. Spinach is high in iron and other nutrients, but it's also high in potassium, so it should be consumed in moderation by individuals with kidney issues. However, when eaten in appropriate portions, spinach can still provide essential nutrients like iron, vitamin K, and folate, which are important for overall health. It's essential to balance spinach intake with other low-potassium foods to support kidney health and prevent potential complications. 20. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are lower in potassium than regular potatoes and are a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, and manganese. Additionally, sweet potatoes contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect kidney cells from damage. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can provide essential nutrients while supporting kidney health. 21. Bell peppers. Bell peppers, especially red ones, are low in potassium and high in vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as antioxidants. These nutrients can help reduce inflammation and protect kidney tissues from damage, supporting overall kidney health and function. 22. Eggplant. Eggplant is low in potassium and a good source of fiber and antioxidants such as niacin. These compounds have anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. Including eggplant in your diet can provide essential nutrients while supporting kidney health and overall well-being. 23. Celery. Celery is a low-calorie vegetable with diuretic properties, meaning it can help increase urine production and promote fluid balance in the body. Additionally, celery contains compounds like phthalides, which may help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Incorporating celery into your diet can support kidney function and overall health. 24. Buckwheat. Buckwheat is a whole grain that is low in potassium and high in fiber and protein. It also contains antioxidants like rutin, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect kidney cells from damage. Consuming buckwheat as part of a balanced diet can provide essential nutrients while supporting kidney health and overall well-being. 25. Quinoa. Quinoa is another whole grain that is low in potassium and high in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like magnesium and iron. Additionally, quinoa contains antioxidants like quercetin and kaempferol, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect kidney cells from damage. Including quinoa in your diet can provide essential nutrients while supporting kidney health and overall well-being. A kidney-friendly diet can help manage conditions like high blood pressure and diabetes, which are major risk factors for kidney disease. By maintaining a balanced diet rich in nutrients and low in processed foods and excessive sodium, individuals can support overall kidney function and reduce the likelihood of developing kidney complications. Therefore, incorporating kidney-friendly foods into one's diet is essential for promoting long-term kidney health and overall well-being. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.